It's not.
Just you go first, and I want to see how fucking goddamn deep it is. Everyone put me on freaking camera either.
It's not candid.
Do it up. It's not that deep.
Randy, just stay to the left side. That's where I gotta go. I gotta stay away from the mud.
So I did it Thursday.
Right, look.
He's gonna get. I'm gonna have to pull him again.